Still in Lagos, the abuse of drugs is fast becoming a national concern, not just to government, but also critical stakeholders. But now an initiative is being taken, and the conversation is now moving to the grassroots to ensure that there is a drastic reduction of drug abusers in the country. Idolu Apopola has more.
This is one of the effects of drug abuse. In the last 12 years, the number of drug users have risen by over 22% and is expected to rise by another 11% in year 2030. With more than half of Nigeria's population being youths and also one of the most drug users, there is an urgent need to close the gap on this menace. An initiative in Lagos State, in conjunction with the United States Government Exchange Alumni Association, sought to figure out what more could be done to ensure that youths are waved in the right direction.
The issue of idleness and unemployment is not an excuse, but we cannot run away from the fact that those are enablers for people to get into those things, because when you're not gainfully employed, you can be, like they say, an idle mind is the devil's workshop. We need that concerted effort from the family, from schools, institutions, NGOs and government to work together.
Our youths don't know that they have the best. But what has happened to them is that they've displaced it and replaced with psychoactive drugs. And there's a need for we to shift and tell them that, hey, that which you think is the way to go is never the way. First role model that children should have, they are the parents. Don't give room for them to be mentored at the social media space.
Some of the common drugs abused are cannabis, marijuana, heroin, Indian hemp, cocaine, opium, codeine, among others. These are also some of the enablers of insecurity plaguing the country.
We as a youth in Nigeria, we are calling ourselves to be a leader of tomorrow. But how are we going to be the leader of tomorrow with the present situation we are finding ourselves in? Either we have to go out, we have to partner with some private sectors to make sure we bring this to the local level.
Experts say a child is at its peak between the ages of 18 to 30 years old. And with the International Day Against Drug Abuse just a few weeks away, there is need to stop this cankerworm from erasing the surety of a good society. Idolu Apopola, TVC News, Lagos.